few moments later.
Ninang Benny, Mommy Jocelyn, and Grandma Salo, please. Ready for your red carpet, guys.
May isang balay music na. Yung pa rin.
Okay.
Di rin po doon dito eh.
Okay.
Doon ka na, pila ka na doon. Doon ka. Ilong, bayan ano.
Ninang Miles! Oh, hello darling! Oh my God! Look at you! Okay, Jewel, oh my God, look at you! Parang ang bilis, parang kailan lang when she was born and now we are here looking at her, a big girl, a lovely girl, and because of her, we are all here gathered here to celebrate her birthday. All I wish for her is you will, I hope this year you will have lots of adventures, all your wishes will come true. I think there is an upcoming adventure in Disneyland this summer, is it? Yes!
Sorry, Disneyland!
I wish you good health and I hope yung mga ninaks dyan, fellow ninaks dyan,
Yes,
get ready your pocket, mag-increase ang ano, mag-increase ang maintenance. Maintenance budget. Sabay ka doon. Okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a good girl. You are such a sweet girl and I love you and I will always love you for the rest of my life. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Yay!
That is very nice.
Okay, next one, please. Jewel still. Nina Karen.
Ninang Karen!
Nina Karen, your red carpet.
Feels like just yesterday where it was COVID and I was visiting a newborn baby in the hospital and mayroong So, I wish you health and happiness as well never be alone, ups and downs.
Hindi mo kaya ito nakikinig. Nagkitempo ko eh.
Happy child journey, and I wish that you would say the same. So, I think my birthday wish for you is that you get all the support you need to continue to grow and that you always do happiness.
Yay! Ninang! Oh, sa message kay Ninang.
And next, Nina Karen. Your red carpet is ready, Nina. Ang new. I'm sorry, guys. Ninong.
Ninong yun! Ninong! Ninong! Ninong ba yun? Ninong! Bato dun! Ganon? Oo, siya. Edit ko na lang.
Hi, baby girl. Sorry, no English. So. Look at you. Look at you. Look like. I wish you happy birthday and very long life. And we are here on your journey. See whatever you can do in your life. I wish you happy birthday. Thank you for inviting us. And enjoy your life. Okay? Happy birthday.
Kiss kay Ninong, kiss Ninong. Yay! Thank you.
Ninang Lady! Ayun!
Good afternoon! Sino ko? Ninang? Ninang?
Ganda.
Nakalimutan na. Galit siya lagi tawag niya. Ninang Ganda! Happy birthday, darling. So, Ninang wish you a very happy birthday. And mabuti na lang magaling kong Tagalog ko. Kasi naganaw si Victoria. You understand Tagalog, right? Opo na. So, Ninang wants you to be a good girl. Sabi nga na, obey your parents, mommy and daddy always. Jesus loves you. Yeah? At, you're a good girl. Always, not only for your parents, for everyone. So everyone will love you. You want that? Happy birthday, Juliet. We love you.
Eh, hug Ninang, kiss Ninang. Isus.
Next is Ninang Benny!
Dito lang, dito ka. Dito ka, Tess. Dito yan. Yan.
At paano ba ito? Ang bago po ang lahat, gusto ko munang bagiin ng Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Yay!
Happy Father's Day po sa inyo lahat. And now, given for you, alam ko naman na, ay, hindi alam ko, no? You understand Tagalog? Yes? Okay. Tapos, mahalin mo ang parents mo, kahit ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? Anything they're giving it to you, you will give it back to them. Alright? And the most important is, hold on, I have something for you. God made you special. On a special day. Remember how very loved you are. God made you just the way you are. Okay? Nakita ko kasi pag
Yes.
at nakita ko maliit ka pa kung
Yeah, Jewel.
naintindihan mo ako? No, kapag in the past when you was a baby,
Yeah.
do you remember that? Okay, when you was in the hospital, you just tiny days. Remember? Yeah, I was with you one time.
Yes.
Yeah? And I saw it. So, happy birthday again.
Thank you, Ninang.
Ako ang layo ko sa aking
Kaya ka sila. Intro pa eh.
Hello!
Ma.
Okay, grandma, it's coming! Yay, si grandma! Happy birthday sa kapatid ko.
Good health always. And peace
Thank you, Babu. Hug Babu.
And the next!
Upo, sit ka ba? Kay mami, kay mami.
June, I wanna see.
Okay.
My grandma children live in a new house now.
Okay. And the last, we are going Mother Jocelyn.
Dapat
My frenemy. This is actually my frenemy. Joke. So my dearest daughter, my inspiration, the love of our life and our life. Happy birthday. And may you grow up healthy always. And mawala na yung mga kung anong meron sa nararamdaman mo. And may you grow up happy. Happy always. Okay? And be confident. Ayan. Love you.
Thank you, Jocelyn, for your life.
kompleto ah.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Okay, please come in front to take picture with the 7 leaders for your please take picture with
Dito lang lagi.
Hindi, ito yung maganda.
Ito, siya rin lang. Ano na dito? Si ano, si Kakay, si Kakay.
Take picture. Hindi ka talaga kuya, hindi ka nakikinig ha.
Ito na agad.